Okay, here I am.
Okay. Okay.
See where?
Okay.
Ah.
Alright, and we hid the presents so we couldn't see them. So, yeah. Burn the wall! Burn the wall! Okay. Oh shoot. You thought it couldn't get on this one. No. Oh, there's water. Water. Ah! Water. Oh no. Oh, inside. No. This does not go out as planned. Get rid of it. Is the fire gone? No? No, it's not gone. Too much fire! Ah! Oh, I think it's done. Okay, there's no more fire. Okay, well, I was going to get rid of the fire anyway. Oh no, the tree. I was going to remove food batteries. How did fire get on the present in the first place? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, like this. Well, at least as long as lightning can be then it's okay, well, we got them open somehow. So let's read real good.
Well, except for mine.
Should we just rebuild them, or should we just
I think you should just leave it be because so it could get it done quicker. Here, I'm gonna put my, not mine, but your presents for me way over here.
Yeah, we thought the wall was far enough. Who knew it would spread like that? Okay, we gotta rebuild mine. That's the only way. Mine was more damaged than yours. Okay, mine didn't get that too much damage. We're not gonna, we're gonna pretend like we didn't see what was inside. At least LightningDude wasn't touched. Somehow LightningDude wasn't touched. Yeah, but we don't see what's inside because it's only chest. Alright. Now we can start from here. So it seems
Yeah, that's yours and that cool.
Okay, I guess I'll open mine first. Yeah, it's something I got just for you. Let me get my scissors really quick. Oh, I got a growing item for these gem crops that we have. I wanted to get shut. How would you guys be able to use it to grow your own gem farm to get some more gem power pieces for yourself? It would be really beneficial more power. They're the scissors. Alright, let's see what let me get some they are shears, by the way. It's just they look like scissors. I'm calling scissors. Oh, my gift. Whoa. Oh,
And coal.
I ran out of gold emerald, so I had to put a little bit of emerald in your bow.
And Cole, don't forget about my present that I gave you.
Okay. Oh, there's it.
It's supposed to be a computer because I sort of. It's supposed to be a computer. So, yeah.
Well, I already have one that's better, I guess, in like my time, but it is a thoughtful gift, LightningDude.
You're welcome.
Alright, mine. What'd you get?
A book about the war, the Gem Wars.
Oh yeah, I could write about this. I could write a novel.
Yeah, if you want. I don't.
Oh, wait,
really.
right. Some kind of journal. Great idea. Yeah. Like, so I need you to do. This is from both guys.
Ooh.
There's some purple emerald wings with a lot of fireworks.
And what's this? LightningDude amulet? Nice.
Yep, you have an amulet now. So now you can see. So yeah, you could see the picture like me and James now. Alright. And now. Oh. Lightning,
Oof.
you take the fireworks.
Yeah, I know. I don't have
The
the.
fireworks on you in this bubble.
Yeah, I know. I got some. Yeah, I got some fireworks. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
Ooh.
you take the whole bubble. That's nice.
Ooh. Okay. That's nice.
Here's the whole bubble. There's the whole bubble for the rockets next to it. Here you go. Let me just. Yeah.
Oh, where is it?
And now, burn the. I gave it to you. I talked to you.
Oh, okay. Now I see it. Okay.
Yep. Now we can present. Yay. Sorry, hope we don't burn any grass. It won't burn any grass. I need to get rid of this now. You know, we tried to see these from that before because we wrapped up. But now we have to burn it down. But we're going to burn it all down. We didn't want to burn what was inside, so we had to stop the previous one.
I wish LightningDude was here.
He'd like this one. Yeah, he would. Since he is called LightningDude.
I wish Super Punch and Elk was here. Also, but he couldn't make it.
Just let it burn. Just let it burn. Thank you. It's about to fix that. And the grass should nice. Yeah, it should grow back. So it's not there anymore. Oh, and this one the main block. Another one. That one's about longer. Tradition of Christmas. I will build a fireworks machine. Okay, you guys can go do whatever. I got a going home give from like a special gift like to Rose so she could be part of this team. Alright. Why you guys at a house over him? Let me see you with him. Okay.
Yeah, I got time. I could stay here.
Oh, and also, the reason why you kind of look like that is because your push hasn't updated yet.
Oh, yeah, you have a point.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
Casey, I guess. Well, I guess I got to go. Yeah, to the Dream Galaxy. Well, if you want, you could come back. I got to go.
Alright, I'll let you know to come back.
Okay. Whoa.